How to install your Grendel Hunter Handguard. Along with your handguard, you will receive the following components: black nitride steel barrel nut, black nitride retention key and hex screws, barrel nut tool with 3/8 and a half-inch drive for your torque wrench. With the barrel extension inserted into the upper, coat the threads with mil-spec aeroshell barrel nut grease or a copper-based anti-seize. Thread the barrel nut onto the upper. Turn it all the way on, back it off, and then back on again. With your included barrel nut tool, use your torque wrench to season the threads by tightening the barrel nut to 45 foot-pounds, loosening, then 50 foot-pounds, loosening, and finally a torque of 55 foot-pounds. After installing your gas block and tube, slide the handguard over the barrel and onto the barrel nut. Insert the retention key into the left side of the handguard. Note how the retention key interfaces with the grooves in the barrel nut to prevent the handguard from walking forward. Line up the M1913 Picatinny rails on the upper and handguard. Using a setting of 35 inch pounds, tighten the hex screws into the retention key to complete your installation.